Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and today with the help of Leonardo we are going to see this Huawei P30 Pro with fake charge. In this class we'll see several repair techniques, so if you want to learn how to repair mobile devices, stay until the end because there are repairs we do frequently. We can notice that it has a regular charge and on the screen of the device it doesn't recognize the charging logo. We go to the microscope and we can see that we've got 4 missing components. Before starting to work with this device, we must measure and record the impedance of each component. In this way, after we repair it, we can compare the value. We write down the values like this and we even look on the schematic diagram for the correct values. If you have broken motherboards from the same device, you have it even easier. We apply a little flux, some solder paste and we tin the pads. We can observe that we have a broken pad, so if you control the technique well, this can be easily solved. To repair this pad, we can use these relief copper pads and then later on we'll see another method to repair it. As today Leonardo has a little free time, he's going to show you 2 methods that we are working with. The truth is that there are many ways to do it, but from my point of view, this is the fastest one. Once the pad has been obtained, we apply a little solder paste and using a GBC soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees, we solder it. It's very important to clean the area well using a piece of cotton and contact cleaner. This step tells us if the pad is soldered well. If the pad is loose, then it comes loose. We apply ultraviolet paste all around and then we use an ultraviolet flashlight to cure the area. In this way the pad stays strong. To know if the pad is 100% soldered well, we can measure the impedance, the one that we have it written down. If the value is good, that means the pad is soldered. We apply a little solder paste and we proceed to solder the resistor. To identify an SMD resistor from an SMD inductor, we have to know that the sides of the resistors are white. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We clean the area and that's it. In 2 minutes we've got the components soldered. Now let's see another similar way to do it. I repeat, there are many methods. Later I will make a video with all the methods. You have just to support this video with a big like, and if you can leave me a review on Google, I'll be grateful. Thank you. You can also recycle pads from broken motherboards. In the description of this video, I will leave you the link from where to buy the copper pads. Once the pad has been recycled, we apply a little flux and, with the help of air station, we'll solder it. If you have any doubts, we can solder it using a soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees. It's very important to not forget to clean the area, so in this way we will know if the pad is soldered well. We apply ultraviolet mask around and cure the area. In this way we make sure that the pad is well soldered. We apply some flux, we place the component and solder it with the air station. The temperature and the airflow depends of each air station. For that you have to test it before on broken motherboards. Let's solder the component next to it. We use the same method. We apply some solder paste, place the component and solder it. As it is very small, we have to lower the airflow to a minimum. If not, it flies away. We clean the area with the tip of the scalpel and that's it. We continue on the other side where the other components are missing. To recover this pad, we only have to scrape off the first layer. We apply a little solder paste. You can use the tip of the scalpel or a thin needle. We apply heat and solder the capacitor. If it's not well soldered, we apply again a little flux and more heat. At the end, we can go over with the thin tip of the soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees. After soldering the component, we use a multimeter to check the continuity. We can see that the capacitor is well soldered. Let's connect the charger now. As you can see, it's charging correctly and we have the loading logo on the screen of the device. Also, we've got 1.25 amperes on the power Z. To recycle the components, we have used another broken motherboard that we have in our workshop. So recycle everything you can. Guys, I'm Adriana, and with the help of Leonardo, this was today's video. I hope you like it and see you in the next one. Bye bye.